So we are talking about his appointment.
I will start with the appointment.
हाँ.
So how did you feel and blah blah. Then we talk about the first season.
उस पर लिख लेंगे.
नहीं रे याद रहेगा. Hello everyone and welcome to Menace and the Monk. मैं तो Menace हूँ और मेरे साथ मेरा idolo the Monk is present और we are finally reunited together and we are
Yes.
doing this very excited and we're talking about someone who's very special.
Best what I can say, but will describe this was boom. Ooh, what was that?
The message to those Liverpool supporters: we have to change from doubter to believer. Now.
Maybe what did you feel like when that happened?
Yeah, I was in office when the announcement came. And of course, there were discussions about Jurgen Klopp becoming the manager. I still couldn't believe
Yeah.
that he would accept the role. But I was in office and it was around afternoon when it was finally confirmed that
Yeah.
Jurgen Klopp is Liverpool manager.
Yeah.
I remember, just going down just to pump the air, just to punch the air.
Yeah.
It was just a very surreal feeling, thinking that Brendan Rodgers has accepted. I knew that this was something special.
Yeah, especially I mean, Jurgen Klopp has won or had won 2 league titles with Dortmund, and everyone knew that he's a great manager. Even United had tried to sign him, but he
Yes.
didn't sign for United at that time. So at that time when we signed Jurgen Klopp, it was too good to be true, like Nidhi was saying. But his first season as well, Nidhi, he changed everything. No?
Look, to put that into context, Jurgen Klopp, nowadays, there are a lot of comparisons where, he started and whatever he did. He started off, with a very weak team, I would say, in comparison to the kind of ambitions that we had.
Yeah.
Not in, where we were and where he wanted to be.
Yeah.
In comparison to that, he started off with a very, very weak team.
Yeah.
I mean, we had just Coutinho as probably a world class player. The
Yeah.
other players he probably signed or converted them into world class players.
Yeah.
But he got us to the Europa League final, including that victory over Dortmund, and he got us to the the League Cup final,
which we lost
so
to City.
which we lost to City.
Yeah.
We both lost both the finals, but
Yeah.
you knew that this is not something that's over here. Of course, there are more iterations to that, and we can talk about it. But you knew that it was something special.
Huh.
What did you feel about the first season of Jurgen Klopp?
First season, I agree with you. We had a relatively weaker team, but still उससे वो team को बहुत
Yeah.
improve किया. And that is something which I really admire about Jurgen Klopp is कि वो सबको genuinely he trains them, he coaches them, he
Exactly.
tries to get the best out of him. So I think like Henderson, Lallana became such a different player under him. So I think that's one of the great things in the first season which we noticed he genuinely believes in the team and he believed in the team.
Yes, and the team believed in him.
Yeah.
But-
Very easy to buy into his philosophy.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. First of all, he was a proven winner. It's Jurgen Klopp. He said the right things.
Yeah.
His first interview. I remember watching his first interview as a Liverpool manager, and believe you me, I could not stop smiling throughout the
Yeah,
interview.
yeah.
I had this huge grin on my face when Jurgen Klopp, appeared for his first interview with Liverpool. But talking about his signings, his first signing was Sadio Mane.
Wow.
Wow. And what a signing he has been.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about the kind of signings he's made, Manas?
His recruitment has been unbelievable. Even like the signing of Robertson, 8 million from Hull. Who would have thought he would
Who would
become?
have thought?
Wijnaldum relegated Newcastle. Like, abhi Minamino 8.5 million mein. every sign that he's made, like Fabinho out of the blue, Van Dijk leave to splash the cash, Alisson. I think the only big money signing which has probably not performed yet is Keita under Jurgen Klopp.
Yeah.
Rest of his signings, I think, proper value for money मेरे हिसाब से.
100%, and that's the thing, right? I mean, initially also when he came in, and you gave the example of Robertson.
Yeah.
Initially, it was like, you know, people asked questions about Robertson if he's good enough and all, and that included Liverpool fans as well. But once he got into the rhythm, right now, you know, a case can be made for Robertson to be one of the best left backs in the world right now.
Case
According
for
to
the
me,
best.
according to me, he's the best. But you know, there's definitely a conversation around it.
Yeah.
So he's proved that, you know, he might buy players from anywhere, even Salah for that matter, Manas.
Yeah.
He came. First of all, he was very good at Roma. It's not correct that, you know, Salah was a failure at Roma or anything, but he wasn't a big name. I mean, people thought he would come and score like 10 goals a season or something. To what Salah is now, I mean, it's absolutely magnificent the way, you know, Klopp signs players, and more importantly, like you said, the way he encourages players to be better.
It's also मेरे को Klopp का ये लगता है कि like the relatability factor to the fans, the city, even when he talks with the press, there's something which is very likable and relatable about Jurgen Klopp. Like and I feel it's a match made in heaven.
Right.
That Liverpool and Klopp, because हम तो गए, I'm so sorry अगर ऐसे लगे हम brag कर रहे हैं, but वो public वहाँ पे they're very similar.
Yeah. So Liverpool as a city, and you know, it's true, we can say this because Liverpool is a place where, you know, the political affiliation of the people is very clear, and whatever it is, and Klopp is congruent with that.
Yeah.
He is, you know, a man of the people. He says the absolutely right thing. I mean the kind
and
of,
it doesn't look fake either.
not at all.
Yeah.
Like, I am amazed by the way, you know, he always manages to say the right things, and the way he connects with the fans. It's so effortless. Right? You know, there have been managers who, of course, have meant well for the city of Liverpool and all, but with Klopp, it just feels like, you know, it's a match made in heaven, like you said. It's so well connected. And that's one of the things why, you know, the supporters took to him. You know, nobody said a word, you know, when, you know, he didn't qualify for the, you know, top 4 in his first season, lost the Europa League final. In the second season, he didn't win a trophy. In the third season as well, he didn't win a trophy. Nobody said a thing because we saw there was something, you know, unique about him. This is not like one of those situations where someone comes in and, you know, we have to wait for something, or, you know, it falls along the way. But Klopp's absolutely special.
He is. And Nidhi, what was the defining moment for you? Like, एक moment होता है, like where you felt that this is going to work. Was there a moment with Klopp for you?
There were a couple of moments, Manas. Like I said, in the initial phase when he came in, that itself, I thought that, you know, this is going to be a very special time. This is going to be a very, very special period at Liverpool. But I'll tell you what, there was one moment when we had lost to Real Madrid in Kiev, and, you know, a lot of actually for a split second, the thought crossed my mind that this is the end. This is the, you know, this is the as far as we'll go. But then I saw Klopp's video.
Next day celebrating
with the Liverpool fans.
European Cup, Madrid and all the fucking luck. We swear we keep on being cool. We'll bring it back to Liverpool. We saw the European Cup.
And I knew that this is not the end at all. This is not even the starting. This is, you know, this is something that is going to be absolutely legendary.
Yeah.
What about you?
That was a moment which but I'm just talking about on the field. Ab jaise against, when we lost against Sevilla as well in the final, he said that Baz, in this moment we will look back and, you know, like it's a gospel whatever it is. But West Brom draw again, that entire moment where the entire team, people were thinking we are celebrating the result, but we were celebrating the entire attempt, the atmosphere created for Klopp or the entire city of Liverpool, the fans, the Klopp के साथ proper unity. मेरे को तब भी लगा कि सही, मतलब something beautiful is happening.
But talking about Klopp, and we must talk about the kind of quotes that Klopp has given. Some of his quotes have been absolutely brilliant. What's your top 2 quotes from Jurgen Klopp, Manas?
Boom.
Boom.
It's it's a meme now.
Yeah.
So that is, I don't think it's a quote, but that is one thing. And just everything, the way he, his press conference, like.
How are you going to play against Paris tomorrow?
It's a very erotic voice, by the way. The translator. Congratulations. Wow. Again, please.
So Jurgen Klopp is just like us. So whatever he says, it's like gospel. Jamie Carragher has said that. It feels like that. Nidhi, for you?
So like you said, I mean, there have been countless number of quotes, but if I have to count one, it's one quote that you can use it in your life as well.
Yeah.
When we had lost to Barcelona, the first leg, he said, we will try to win this game, or we will go out in the most beautiful way possible.
Yeah.
That sums Jurgen Klopp up, and that sums Liverpool up. That you try.
Yeah.
If you fail, it's fine, but you have to try in the most beautiful way, and if you have to fail in the best way possible.
That's so true. Nidhi, to end this, how would you remember Jurgen Klopp, and how many more things we can accomplish under Jurgen?
Yeah, abhi to, I think we've said this earlier also. I think right now it's like eating your favorite ice cream, and you're in the middle of eating it. You don't want to talk about, when it ends.
Yeah.
Right now, let's just enjoy. Like 2024 tak to Klopp hai.
Okay, so what more can be achieved in the next 4 years?
I think we
Do
can.
you think we can win multiple league titles or the European Cup once in those 4 years again?
I think we can win it more times than once.
Wow, okay.
The league title also, I think we can win more than once. We've already won it once.
Yeah.
I think we can. The team is in place. The attitude is in place. Everything is in place. But what about you? What do you think will win?
I will be happy in the next 4 years just enjoying football the way we do. And winning is very important. Like, as Liverpool supporters, we know we've had a long patch where we've not won. But the entire process of knowing that Klopp will be there, will be playing heavy metal football. So I'm looking forward to that. Ek aur league title I will take.
That's it?
No, matlab, चलेगा मतलब इतना हमने सफर किया लाइफ में.
I think
एक 4 साल में चल जाएगा.
I think we'll win much more than that. But this was the video, guys. This was Menace and the Monk talking about Jurgen Klopp, the man that we worship, the man that is our idolo, right? But do watch this video. Like it, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be coming with more content. This is Menace and the Monk signing off. Cheers.
Bye.
Thank you to a lot of people, obviously. Have to start at the beginning with my family and at home, sitting at home and probably watching it. It's great. Nobody would have expected that I stand here 20 years ago, 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 4 years ago, probably. And how close it can be. Mauricio, we won that game. That's why I'm here, not you. So that's how football is. But we all know what an incredible job you did, what an incredible job Pep did, what so many coaches out there did.